I need bag and water.
You mean a bag?
And give me ticket, please.
Oh, yeah. That moment. That very small mistake. But it changes everything.
Yeah, because nothing she said is completely wrong.
Exactly. You understand her, but something feels incomplete.
It's like a sentence without balance, like something is missing.
And the tricky part is, it's not a big grammar rule.
It's tiny, just a or an.
But that tiny word makes your English sound real, or unfinished.
Yeah, without it, it feels like you're listing words.
With it, you're speaking naturally. All right, before we go any further, pause for a second. Hey, I'm Zivara, and if you've ever said something and the other person almost understood you, but not completely, yeah, this lesson is for you.
And I'm Oren, and today we're fixing something very small, but very powerful.
Welcome to Speak English Confidently in 30 Days, 0 to Hero.
And today, we are on day 4.
Now, today's lesson might look simple.
Words like bag, phone, ticket, money, water, card.
Basic words, things you use every day.
But here's the truth. Most learners don't sound natural when using them.
Not because of the word, but because of something very small.
A and an.
And today, we don't just learn them, we feel them.
In real situations, with real emotions.
So slow down, listen carefully.
And let's build this together. All right. Before we go back to Emma, let's build your foundation.
Slowly, clearly, so your brain doesn't just hear it, it understands it. First word, bag. A bag, something you carry.
I have a bag. I have a bag.
Now imagine you're at a shop. I need a bag. I need a bag.
That makes it sound complete. Next. Phone.
We all use it, every day.
I have a phone. I have a phone.
Or, I need a phone. I need a phone. Now, ticket. Travel. Transport. Events.
I bought a ticket. I bought a ticket.
I need a ticket. I need a ticket.
Next. Money.
Now this one is different. We don't say, money. We just say, I need money. I need money.
Feel that difference.
Now, water.
Again, no
I need water. I need water.
But if you say, I need a water.
It sounds off.
And finally, card.
Bank card. ID card.
I have a card. I have a card.
I need a card. I need a card.
Now pause.
Some words use a,
Some don't.
and that's where people get confused.
Now listen carefully. This is small but powerful.
A and an. We use a before most words, like a bag, a phone, a ticket.
But we use an before vowel sounds, like an apple, an idea.
Now here's the real problem. People don't forget the rule, they forget it while speaking. Exactly. I remember. I once said, I need phone. That pause again. Then I said, I need a phone.
And suddenly, everything was clear.
That's today's lesson. Small word, big difference. All right, let's go back. Slowly. Feel the situation.
Listen carefully.
I need bag and water.
You mean a bag?
Yes, yes, bag.
Okay, go on.
And give me ticket, please.
A ticket?
Yes, ticket.
All right, I understand.
I also need phone.
A phone?
Yes, phone.
Okay.
I have card.
A card?
Yes.
All right.
I don't have money.
That's okay.
I need water.
That's fine.
I think I speak strange.
No, not strange, just missing something small.
Small?
Yeah, very small.
Okay, I try again. I need bag.
Almost.
I need phone.
Still close.
This is difficult.
No, it's just new.
Okay, I don't stop.
Okay, let's fix this together. Slowly. No pressure.
Yeah, this is the part where things start to click. Not fast, but deeply.
Emma said, I need bag and water.
And yeah, we understand her.
But listen to how it feels. I need bag.
It feels incomplete, like something is missing.
A more natural way is, I need a bag and water.
Now listen again. I need a bag.
That it's small.
But it makes the sentence feel whole.
Then she said, and give me ticket, please.
You can feel what she wants.
But we make it smoother. Give me a ticket, please.
Now it sounds polite, natural.
Then, I also need phone.
Again, missing that small word.
So we say, I also need a phone.
Now it flows.
Then, I have card.
We fix it like this. I have a card.
Simple, but powerful. Then, I don't have money.
Now this one is actually okay.
Yeah, we don't say money. So this line stays. I don't have money. Then, I need water.
Again, correct.
No here.
So we keep it. I need water.
Then, I think I speak strange.
We soften it, make it more natural. I think I sound strange.
Now it feels more real, more human. Then, this is difficult.
That one is okay, but we can make it more emotional.
This feels difficult. Then, I don't stop.
We make it more natural. I won't stop.
Now it sounds strong, confident. Now pause. Take a breath. Did you notice something?
It's not about big grammar. It's about tiny details. A or nothing.
And suddenly, your English sounds real.
Now listen again. Slow, clear, natural.
And feel the difference. Now Emma sounds completely different.
I need a bag and water.
You mean a bag?
Yes, I need a bag.
All right,
Give me a ticket, please.
of course.
I also need a phone.
Okay,
I have a card.
perfect.
I don't have money.
That's okay.
I need water.
No problem.
I think I sound strange.
No, you sound much better now. It gets easier.
I won't stop.
That's the spirit.
All right, now this is your moment.
Don't just listen. Speak. Slow, clear, confident.
I need a bag. I need a bag.
I need a phone. I need a phone.
Give me a ticket. Give me a ticket.
I have a card. I have a card.
I don't have money. I don't have money.
I need water. I need water.
I need a bag and water. I need a bag and water.
Give me a ticket, please. Give me a ticket, please. All right, let's bring this into real life.
Imagine this. You're at a train station. People moving. Announcements playing.
You feel a bit nervous.
You walk to the counter,
And you want to say, I need a ticket.
but instead, you say, I need ticket.
And the person pauses.
That pause again.
I remember this so clearly. I was buying water once, and I said, give me water. And I felt it, that tiny confusion.
Give me a bottle of water.
And suddenly, everything became clear.
Maybe this has happened to you,
That moment where you almost sound right.
but something is missing.
Now you know what it is.
That tiny word, a. And now you can say,
I need a bag. I need a phone. Give me a ticket.
and people understand you instantly. All right, take a second.
Before today, your sentences felt incomplete.
Small words were missing.
Now you can feel the difference.
Your sentences sound whole, natural.
Today, you can now use a correctly with everyday objects and speak more naturally in real situations. You're building something real.
Not just knowledge, but confidence.
Day 4, and your English already feels different.
Keep going. Don't stop here.
We'll see you in day 5.
Same journey, stronger voice.
Let's keep building together.